Hello everyone, so today I will tell you about the difference and similarities between the two wreck vessels, uh, which were Titanic and Costa Concordia. In the April 10th of 1912, the Titanic set sail from England, and 4 days after the sailing, uh, it sank at the Atlantic's bottom. In the January 13th of 2012, Costa Concordia set sail from Italy, and 1 day later, it sank at Italy's coastal, and which became hot news in social media for days. And then people compared between both ships sinking and figured out myriad of unusual similarities with difference. First, let's take a glimpse about the similarities. Both were enormous size. Titanic was the largest ship of its day, about 882 feet with 9 decks, while the Costa Concordia was larger, about 951 feet with 30 decks. Both were mega ships. Addition to their their huge size, they also were luxury vessels that consisted of pools, restaurants, place for passengers to relax. Additionally, the acts of courage and cowardice both were occurred in both sinkings. While the Titanic was sinking, numerous men gave up seats on lifeboats for women and child, which was the rule of the Titanic. While a man dressed up as a woman, and he could get to lifeboats and survive. Moreover, while the Costa Concordia suffered from the disaster, the captain left his ship before the others on the ship safely off, which was so strange, and he refused to go back when he was required. So nowadays, the public think the captain should be the last person to leave a sinking ship, like the Titanic captains. In addition to their similarities, their difference could be worth discussing. The fate of two captains that I have talked. And now, the Titanic was a transatlantic ocean liner that provided around transportation across the Atlantic, and the Costa Concordia was a cruise ship providing vacation tours Mediterranean Sea. And their reasons to the sinked reasons were that the Titanic sank in the deep cold water that struck an iceberg, while the Costa Concordia struck a shelf of rocks in warmer, shallow water near the coast. Additionally, there these the victims that suffer from both disasters could be discussed. Uh, Moreover, 1,500 people died due to the froze to death in the Titanic, while more than 700 people survived. Uh, the number of survivors in Costa Concordia was uh, sixfold of the Titanic, accounting for 4,200. Just there were just 32 32 victims, with 2 were still missing. A half of lifeboats were used to rescue, and they were not full when they were leaving, while the Costa Concordia extra lifeboats for 25% more people that the ship could hold. But the ships were lying on its side, so many lifeboats was not lowered in the water. Furthermore, a song in Titanic movie, My Heart Will Go On, was reported to have been played when hearing the crusher sound. That was so weird. So in conclusion, whatever going for, people can able to suffer from the disaster or sudden and unexpected accidents. So we need to be on toes and preparedness.